Hello friends, welcome to TNPC audiobook. We are going to listen daily current affairs of June 17, 2020. Stars. Assessment of climate change over Indian region report of Ministers of Earth Science tells the average surface temperature of India could increase to 4.4 degrees Celsius by the year 2100. Shramik Special Train. It is a train to send back people stagnant because of COVID crisis. India builds the first ever infectious disease diagnostic mobile laboratory as a part of Atma Nirbhar Bharat scheme. Pune-based the Serum Institute of India and UNICEF has signed an agreement to supply pneumonia vaccine to low-income countries. Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI Yearbook 2020 of Armament, Disarmament and International Security ranked India at 6th position. It was topped by USA. The report was published by Oxford University Press. It gives nuclear weapon with India is less than that of China and Pakistan. India has joined the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence (GPAI) as a founding member. GPAI is first of its initiative for better understanding of challenges and opportunities around artificial intelligence. E-Office. E-Office has been developed by the National Information Center. It aims to improve governance by automating the internal processes of handling files and taking decisions within government. IMD's World Competitive Index report. It gives India ranked 43rd on IMD World Competitiveness Index, whereas it is topped by Singapore. UN Conference on Trade and Development UNCTAD in its report stated that India is 9th largest FDI recipient in 2019. FDI in India has increased by 20% according to the report. Lonar Lake. Lonar Lake is located in Maharashtra. It is an oval shaped. It is formed by a meteorite by about 5,000 years ago. The color of the lake has recently turned pink due to increased salinity in the water and also due to the presence of algae. The area around the Lonar Lake is economic sensitive zone as it contains ejecta blanket that is made up of the same material as that found on the moon. The lake is a National Geo-Heritage Monument. A violent crash broke out between the Indian and Chinese soldiers recently in the Galwan Valley of Ladakh region. Currently engaged in standoff in Galwan Valley, Pangong Tizo, Denchok and Daulat Beg Oldio in Ladakh. New fish species discovered in Arunachal Pradesh from the junction of river Sikku and Seram. It is named as Schizothorax siccusirumensis, named after the river Sikku and Seram from where it is discovered. The Earth is to witness an annular solar eclipse on June 21, 2020. Anmol Narang becomes first observant Sikh to graduate from US Military Academy. She is an American-born Indian. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee launched Karma Bhoomi scheme, a job portal to help information technology professionals who have lost their jobs after the outbreak of COVID-19 and returned to the state. Schemes found in news. Atma Nirbhar Bharat Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, Khelo India program. Thank you friends for listening to TNPC audiobook. Please subscribe and click the bell button to support us.